Hey, welcome back everyone. Sarah and Matt from RV Travel Adventures. Today we wanted to share our top 5 things we've learned and you should keep in mind as you start out on your RV adventures.
So, jumping right into it, the first thing is level set your expectations. No matter how much planning you do, no matter how much research you do, no matter how careful you are, things never go 100% as planned, and there's a lot of opportunities for things to go awry.
Absolutely. Sites are unlevel, black tank issues, electrical issues, water pressure, slides won't go out, noisy neighbors, small sites, low hanging trees, tire issues, truck issues, storms. The list goes on and on. Be flexible.
But keep in mind, always, the reason you need to be flexible is because for us, the good has always outweighed the bad. You just have to get past the negative stuff and enjoy yourself.
Absolutely. Second, if you don't know something, just ask. Resources like social media pages, YouTube's, groups like the Lippert Scouts are an easy, endless supply of great information.
And when you're around on the road, just ask the people around you. Honestly, guys, most RVers will talk more than you want them to talk. They like to tell you about RVs. They like to be helpful. You can likely find information, answers to your questions, a helping hand, and they may even have a spare part that you don't have just by striking up a conversation.
Good point. Third on our list is campsite etiquette. What some consider common courtesy, others may take for granted.
So let's talk about some real obvious things. At least they should be obvious, and make sure you're paying attention. Don't cut through other people's sites while they are staying in that site. Keep your music to a reasonable level. No one wants to hear your music or TV, even during normal working or daily hours, especially not after quiet hours. Keep your exterior lights to a minimum, especially after you go to bed at night. Your neighbors might not want that bright light. They might be trying to enjoy a starry night.
Leave your campsite cleaner than you found it. The fire pit is not a trash can. And keep your dogs on a leash, always. You might think your dogs are friendly and non-threatening, but others may not. Next, know your maintenance limitations. If you're not comfortable doing maintenance, find a good service center or a mobile tech. RVs require a lot of routine maintenance, not to mention fixing the broken items. And service centers are usually booked up months in advance and can sometimes keep your unit just as long once you finally get it in there.
Okay, lastly, our best tip for you is find your people and understand what type of RVing you like to do. We all do it differently. Do you like state parks? Do you like commercial parks? Are you going to go to the cities and do touristy type of things? Are you going to go to the mountains and do kind of remote camping? Are you very social? Do you need to meet people and meet friends? Are you full-time? Are you weekend warrior? There's a lot of different types of RVing, and that's okay. We all have different lifestyles, so it's important to identify what you're getting into, what you want to do, especially as you're gathering information and reading reviews from other people.
So those are just a few things to keep in mind, but definitely things we wish we had known from the start. Most important thing to remember is do what works for you. We're all out there doing the same thing, but we're all out there for different reasons and doing it a little differently. So those are kind of our top 5 tips to get you guys started. Hopefully you learned something. Again, Sarah and Matt from RV Travel Adventures. Thanks for following along with us. Be safe, guys. We'll see you out there on the road.
Bye, guys.
Bye.